State House Advisor Moses Kuria nĩ arĩkia gũkorwo agĩtangatha officially atĩ nĩ akorwo agĩtiga wĩra ũcio wa advisor. Koguo thaa ici he is not associated in any way with KK government. Arĩkĩte gũkorwo akĩandĩka ũguo ndũmĩrĩri-inĩ ĩrĩa arĩkĩte gũkorwo agĩkĩra kũrĩa nenda-inĩ ciake cia ũkinyanĩria. Resignation. This evening, I have met my boss and my friend President William RUTO. The President has graciously accepted my decision to resign from the government. I thank President RUTO for having given me an opportunity to serve as Cabinet Secretary for Investments, Trade and Industry for 11 months, Public Service, Delivery and Performance Management for 9 months, and Senior Economic Advisor for the last 10 months. As I move on to pursue personal interests, I am proud of the work the President and I did to implement the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which I designed together with the President as our 2022 electoral platform. Long live Kenya. Followed by more and more posts. Unaonaga ile design mtu ambiwa asishike simu akiwa mlevi. Uguo niguo tũrĩkia gũkorwo tukiona Moses Kuria agĩposti. Na tatupitie some of these posts iria akorwo akiandĩka as at the time I am doing this video. Kiria kiangenia muno ni the Association of Rigathi Gachagua. Ugo akorwo akiandika agikira itagwo atia that photo ya Rigathi Gachagua. It really shows a lot. It really tells a lot, if at all this is a genuine departure from KK government. Agikorwo ni ma uma wohoro ni ati ni umite thirikari-inĩ ya KK, then this is surprising. Tondu some weeks ago nturigite gukorwo tukiona Sovinga wa Viviana confront Moses Kuria live na akimwira ati where you are headed or where you are right now is not a safe place for you, na amwira ati ni wega akorwo akiruta kuu na erehe kuri wananchi na John Rigathi Gachagua nigetha makorwo makirutithania wira. And now seeing Moses Kuria posting Rigathi Gachagua, it comes as a surprise tondu wa kaundu karia augire after how na kaundu karia augire interview ya Jeff Koinange live Kuria Citizen. It leaves me with a lot of questions.
So imagining me going to someone before I go to William RUTO. Mimi sasa mimi Moses Kuria. Me I go to someone. Mimi uniwekea kwa chupa nitoshe. No, he should have tried other people, but not really me. And then he takes offense with that. I'll continue milking the one term for the benefit of Kenyans until the last moment of that one term. Yeah? Because this government is not for William RUTO. This government is for the people of Kenya.
Is this a genuine departure? Ama ni kupimwa tunapimwa tu hapa hivi? Maybe it's just a script and we don't know. We are just the players of the script. Thaishi kwina maundu maingi muno marathi na mbere ma kirima. Of course thaishi andu a kirima ni maraigirirwo mururungano wa Sabasaba na njira nene muno. We've seen everywhere. Ukirikana ati Mount Kenya niyo mararunganire na niyo marathukirie indo mururungano-ini wa Sabasaba. And that story has really taken the airwaves by a storm. Tuonete Kuria X kila mundu arauga we are all Kikuyus. Agikorwo agikuyu niyo maraigirirwo muthako uyu wothe wa Sabasaba na ni Gen Z, then we are all Kikuyus. Could this be a diversion tactic? Moses Kuria, Dennis Itumbi, kuna Mbugi na Konga pale hivyo State House, they are very witty. They are very witty na wanaweza fanya very many things, and let's just wait and see. Korigana oria maybe I think ni ati resignation should not be written on social media. like if ikuwe post, it should be like a written document. Ama hiyo ni a written document. But anyway, ndona kundu kungi makiuga ati maybe Moses Kuria niarikite gukorwo agithoma ground na akona ati nema no akorwo akienda gukorwo agitigwo thirikari-ini, no andu aria angienda gukorwo akilead in 2027 matire thirikari-ini thaa ici, and that is the Kiambu people. Na koguo angikorwo ni arenda gutuika governor wa Kiambu, and right now he is against what the people of Kiambu want. In fact, he is dining with the people who are testing the people of Kiambu. Then ahura mathabu make haria ni ngwiciria akona riu no nginya aume nigetha akorwo akianja guconnect na andu a Kiambu. If it's not like that, Mjango ni kuonio aronirio murango because of course what he has been saying. Moses Kuria ni akoretwo from way back akoretwo na very loose tongue, na Moses Kuria no uge anything, na ona hena matamshi anakorwo akiuga megie thirikari, and ulikuwa unaona manze he is not like the other people wenye wana sugarcoat things. So because of his loose tongue, maybe anaweza kuwa alionyeshwa mlango, ama this is a well scripted plan to divert attention of the people of the mountain. Unajua nowadays everything is drama. Koina undu ungirehwo andu mawariririe mariganirwo kaundu kangi very important, na of course kaundu karia kangirehwo kariririo andu mariganirwo ni kaundu karia important, ni one of those things that you would not expect. As at now, ndigwiciria hena mundu ko expect that this evening Moses Kuria ni akuga ati ndarenda ni auma wira thirikari-ini. Anyway guys, only time will tell. Ni ndio maoni maku megie uhoro uyu. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.